Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the eFootball game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your match speed within your play. So let's get started right away. Now, while you are playing your match within the eFootball game, you can change the pacing at any point of time. To do this, just pause the game by pressing the start button. Then go into settings by pressing the X button on your Xbox joystick or the square button. From here you can find the game speed option. Just click on the drop-down menu, and while this is set to 0 by default, you can speed it up by choosing +2, or you can slow it down by choosing the negative values. After you have chosen your desired game speed, you can just go back and now play with your chosen speed. If it feels too fast or too slow for you, then once again you can pause your game, go back into settings, and from the game speed, choose a negative value or set it to default by choosing 0. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to increase or decrease your match pace within the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.